Hi everyone, my name is Andrejs Doronins and welcome to the course ISTQB Foundation Getting Started. Do you wish to learn the basics of testing? Do you want to learn the essential material for the ISTQB Foundation exam? Then this course is for you. It covers the first out of 6 chapters of the official ISTQB curriculum. Some of the major topics that we will cover include the objectives of testing, the 7 testing principles, test activities and process fundamentals, and test psychology. By the end of this course, you will have made your first step towards better testing and preparing for the ISTQB Foundation exam. There is no prior experience needed to take this course, just a general understanding of IT and software. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn testing with the course ISTQB Foundation Getting Started here at Pluralsight.